The REXING V1 Max product review. Features real UHD 4K single channel recording, front single camera records real 4K video while utilizing wide dynamic range, allows dashcam to perform well in low light situations by f/1.66 glass lens, carefully fine-tuning the exposure. 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses on camera open up to capture broad views of their surroundings. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi and mobile app. Use our mobile app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and easily share these on social media. GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via REXING GPS Player or REXING Connect app. G sensor and loop recording. Video can be recorded in 1,2 or 3 minute intervals. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, our dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest recordings. Accident auto detection happens with the built-in gravity sensor, and when it detects a collision, the current video is locked. Locked video will be kept safe from being overwritten in case of an accident dispute. Supercapacitor and parking monitor. Power is delivered with the help of a supercapacitor, a premium alternative to a lithium-ion battery which features an enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. With the parking monitor feature, the dash camera will automatically turn on and record a 20-second video when the car camera detects vibration, or dashcam will capture frames for a time-lapse video for 24/7. Smart hardwire kit is required. Simple installation, simple and easy to mount on windshield, which makes for an overall straightforward installation process. Need help? Email or call our personal live customer support. We stand behind our products with a 18-month warranty. The REXING V1 dashcam has a very low price, but this helps the camera outperform competitors. With a very wide viewing angle of 170 degrees. This dashcam can record at Full HD 1080p. The REXING V1 comes with 2 self-adhesive pads, allowing you to fix the installation onto the windshield permanently. It can produce recordings that are very stable and allows you to clamp or turn off the camera easily. According to users, this camera is the most easily prepared and prefers the quality of recording than other budget cameras. It handles low light recording very well compared to other cameras that are similar to the price of this camera. Lens comes with the REXING V1 AR0330 170 degrees, 6 glass lens that allows car camera recorders to have wide viewing angles. However, the position of the lens is very important. A lens mounted on the bottom of the device can be activated. This ensures an accurate position depending on the angle of your windshield. Video recording, like his sister REXING S300, for REXING V1 here the resolution supports Full HD and 720p. If you want to save storage space, 720p will be a better resolution. Another case, choose the default Full HD resolution for maximum detail with this device. To be honest, higher resolution recordings ensure that smaller details such as license plates and sometimes even faces are captured clearly. Taking video in VGA mode is not recommended because it defeats the whole purpose of installing a 1080p dashcam. In addition, REXING V1 comes with loop recording. In other words, if you run out of storage, it will overwrite the oldest video saved. So, you always have the means to save recordings as long as you have a micro SD card in the slot. Movement detection. REXING V1 has the motion detection feature. Thus, this can be used as a car surveillance camera in motion detection mode. When the setting is activated, this camera can detect motion and immediately start recording. This works when you want to catch suspicious movements in the area where your vehicle is parked. G sensor memory key. In the event of an accident, this camera will immediately lock the data stored in it because REXING V1 screen and rotator on the side. There is a sophisticated gravity sensing mechanism in V1. If the dash camera detects the physical strength and gravity that applies, the camera will immediately activate the memory lock and lock all the data in it. This memory lock feature overrides loop recordings, meaning that the device will not overwrite data that has been locked. Resistance to heat. Heat resistance is the main problem for any electronic device that you attach to your dash or windshield. A good thing that many users have reported about this cam recorder dashboard has extreme heat resistance. This device is considered to be able to withstand heat up to 160 degrees. Wide dynamic range. The wide dynamic range or WDR allows the dash camera mounted on the windshield to look better in low light. The REXING V1 comes with WDR, which means the recorded video clips will have a good dynamic range even in low light. Parking monitor. When a hit and run situation occurs when a car is parked at the side of the road or in a parking area. If the device vibrates suddenly, the device will start recording. The parking monitor feature will detect sudden shocks by G sensor. Preparation. The REXING V1 kit and 3M mounting are equipped with 3M adhesive. To attach to the windshield of your car, simply remove the mounting plate at the rear. Next, remove the 3M adhesive and attach it to the back of the mounting plate. Place it in the appropriate position on the windshield. For safety, attach it somewhere in the middle of the glass and make sure there is about 1 inch of space between where the glass meets the roof and the top edge of V1 is in the attached position. To turn on the V1, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The startup time is only about 1 second. By default, this is programmed to start recording footage immediately after being activated. To change the settings on V1, just turn off the video recording by pressing the REC button on the front. Then on the left edge of the device press the toggle button that has an icon followed by M. When you switch to M, you will enter the menu. System settings, press the toggle button again and you enter the system setup menu, where you can adjust date/time, auto power off, beep sound, somewhat annoying after a while, language options, TV mode, format, and many other options. V1 supports up to 128 GB of storage but does not include a micro SD card. You have to buy it separately. After you insert the micro SD card into the slot, you can then choose to format it. It is always a good idea to format a new micro SD card before using it. Video settings, you get the option to choose the resolution, loop recording preferences, time-lapse recordings, and WDR settings. The circle recording preference shows how long each video file will be. You can choose between 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes and keep going until the card is full. At that point, it will start overwriting the older files starting from the oldest first. Time-lapse recordings under video settings allow you to save time. V1 is equipped with a built-in audio recorder that might not be too good if you are compared to a normal stereo device. You can turn it off if you don't want background audio, especially when having a conversation in a car.